Hey everyone, today we are going to go through a quick tour of Grayton Beach State Park, located in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. As we pull into the campground area, the campground has 61 total campsites, and they are arranged in 2 loops. Each loop has a bathhouse with laundry, and every site has full hookups. So right now we're coming up around sites 54 through 61. The road in this loop is paved. The sites are a mixture of small limestone gravel, and there are a few concrete sites for handicap. We're going to head into what I call the older loop right now, and it contains sites 39, 38, and then 2 all the way over to 37. This road is not paved, but it's not a bad road to get through. This loop seems like an older loop, or maybe the original loop. Some of the sites are a little bit harder to back in. They're more of a 90-degree angle. We're going around sites 8, 9, 10, 11, that area right now. Coming up, we're going to be near site 14, 16, 18, 20. Those sites actually back up to the large lake that is located in the state park. There are paths down to the lake. What we like about this state park is how all the sites are separated by vegetation. You really feel like you're camping in the woods at times. How about that blue sky on this day? This was recorded beginning November of 23. We stayed there for about a week and really enjoyed it. One of our favorite campgrounds to date. The campground is a mixture of back-in sites and pull-through sites, although the majority of the sites are back-in. As I mentioned, some of the sites, especially in this loop here, are a little bit more difficult to back in because of the large angle, but we saw fifth wheels backed in some of these. If you have a large RV, especially a large fifth wheel or diesel pusher, try to get the pull-through sites. You'll be a lot better off. We're coming up near the end. We're around site 33, 35, 36, 37. On our right will be site 38 and 39. We're back on the paved road. Now we're coming around site 40, 41, 42. A lot of these sites have good angles to back in. We actually stayed on the one on the left right here, site 43, and it was a little tricky. The guy on the right side there had to actually move his car in order for us to back our fifth wheel in. But we did it. It was manageable. Each loop has bathhouses, showers, bathrooms, laundry, all very nice facilities. And then coming up, you'll see a dumpster station. As we leave the actual campground, we'll head onto the road to the beach. The beach is one of the most beautiful beaches we've ever been to. There's no condos or beach houses within a mile or two. It's just beautiful white sand. The water was fantastic. We the sunsets were unbelievable. I'm going to speed up a little bit. I did not go this fast. I don't want to get a speeding ticket. But it's only a couple minute drive from the campground over to the beach access. And you'll see on the left and on the right there's a freshwater lake that you can kayak and paddleboard. And like this guy here, he's fishing. There's alligator signs up, but according to one of the employees there, they've never seen an alligator in that part of the lake. To the right are the really cool dunes. There's a road here on the left that goes back to a boat ramp, and you can rent kayaks. I think it's like 26 bucks an hour. And then coming up is the parking lot and the bathrooms for the beach access. If you go right there to the right is the path over to the beach, and this is the parking lot. So that's it. Thanks for watching.